This is OVO, perfection in every curve. Simplicity redefined.
Meet OVO. It fits your life. It gives you precise control at your fingertips. Navigating through your workspace has never been this smooth. Perfect precision with every movement.
With this kind of precise control, navigating through your workspace becomes completely seamless. It feels natural, like an extension of your hand. Experience absolute control. Precision at your fingertips. A seamless touch experience. Navigating your world effortlessly. Designed for perfect control. This is OVO. Mastering the OVO takes just a little practice. For precise control, it's incredibly natural. But for the speed of competitive gaming, a traditional mouse still holds its ground. Boost your productivity. Precision at your fingertips. Seamlessly switch tasks. Navigate slides smoothly. Take it anywhere. OVO connects instantly via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, offering total cross-platform compatibility across Windows, Mac or iOS. One device for everything you do. With OVO, your presentations are as fluid as your thoughts. Precise control, natural gestures, perfect synchronization. Charging is as simple as placing it down. The powerful battery keeps you going, delivering up to 80 hours of use. With a 400 mAh capacity, and when the work is done, OVO brings that same effortless control to your home. Seamless, intuitive, and perfectly in sync with you. OVO isn't trying to replace every mouse. It's introducing a fresh way to interact with your computer. If you're open to new technology, it's definitely an interesting device to watch.